In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and analyze Deriv synthetic indices on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this guide will show you how to access these instruments easily using TradingView's platform. By the end of this session, you'll know exactly how to load, search, and even save your favorite synthetic indices for future reference. To begin, first, navigate to TradingView. This could either be through your web browser or, if you prefer, using the desktop application. Once you're there, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. This ensures you have full access to your saved settings and preferences. If you haven't created an account yet, it's worth taking a moment to sign up, as it will enhance your experience and allow you to set up watch lists. With TradingView open, direct your attention to the top of the chart area. Here, you'll find the symbol search box, which is essentially the tool to look up various financial instruments. You might already be familiar with this if you've been using TradingView to look at stocks or other assets. Click on this box and you'll be able to type in what you're searching for. Now, if you're interested in Deriv synthetic indices, you'll want to type in search terms like Deriv, synthetic, or the name of a specific index if you're looking for one in particular, such as volatility 75. These keywords will help you narrow down the results to what you're specifically looking for, making the search process quicker and more efficient. As you type these keywords and wait for the results to populate, it's crucial to keep an eye on the drop-down suggestions. Here, you're going to look for entries that list Deriv as their exchange or source. This detail is important because it identifies the exact indices offered by Deriv that you want to explore further. Once you've located the synthetic index you're interested in, go ahead and click on it. Doing so will load the corresponding chart on your screen, allowing you to delve into its price actions, trends, and other relevant data points. The TradingView platform offers numerous tools and features to help you conduct thorough analysis right there within the charting interface. As a pro tip, you might consider adding this index to your watch list for easy access later on. If you think you'll want to revisit this index frequently, save yourself some time in the future by clicking on the star icon next to the index name. This action places the index in your watch list, giving you the convenience of pulling it up in a matter of seconds whenever you need it. And there you have it. Accessing Deriv synthetic indices on TradingView is simple once you know the steps. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful, setting you up for success in your trading activities on the platform.